and just, make your one circle, your other circle, make them match, and then put put enough verticals in to hold it apart, put your hose on, and it was really slick. And what was really slick to me was how easy it was to move, because you just tip it up and roll it like a big wheel.
Gotcha. Gotcha. As far as I know, you're very big on building soil. That's another thing that we started to do this year, is really, especially with rotating the animals and everything like that. As far as some tips, as far as, building soil would be, we're actually bringing in cows for this specific reason as well. I know that that's a big part of the process, but, building soil in the Mojave Desert, what are some things we can do there?
Well, I mean, the main thing there is disturbance and then rest. I mean, disturbance and rest, and the rest has to be long enough for vegetation to get a hold. Now, what is your rainfall there? 3, 4, 5 inches?
Yeah, very little, very little. I mean, 4, 5 inches, pretty much it's the nail right on the head. We get very little. That's one thing is, would you still recommend it, as far as the methods that you're mentioning in books and online, just pretty much still follow the same steps? Because I've watched a ton of your videos, and there is a system that you have that it appears to be copy and paste. However, I just want to know, when you're getting very little rainfall, is there any other additional modifications I need to, maybe, put in there, like maybe adding more hay, or what can I do, to modify our system to make it easier?
I mean, yeah, okay. Well, you're already bringing in a lot of feed.
Correct.
So,
Correct.
you're adding a lot of feed to the system. What's your weak link in different climates? The weak link is a different thing in a different place.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Flores Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.